Hello, in this session, I'm going to explain how you can get a trial account of SAP BDC. You need to go to the Google and search SAP BDC trial account. You need to click on this link, click on try now. You need to provide your business email ID. Once you have provided your business email ID, then it will going to ask your basic information. You need to provide your company name. You need to click on submit, then select. Okay, then they will send you email on your business email ID. You need to go to log into your business email ID, and you will get a credentials over there, and from that credentials you can access your BDC trial account. Thank you.